Welcome to IB Worldwide Academy's physics lesson. So in the previous two videos, we have covered the first two parts of the question from the momentum, which is a very common question for GCSE. And now the third part of the section is asking that the ice hockey players wear protective pads filled with foam. So explain how the protective pads help to reduce injury when the players collide. So this is a 3-marker question. So if you cannot have enough time to elaborate it, then you can just write it point-wise. But it's better if you could explain. So here we have tried to explain it in 3 different numbers you can put and you can write. So the first point will be that increasing the time of impact. So whenever this could be any protective gear, sometimes this question come for the seat belt also. So the first point and the most crucial point is the increasing the time of impact. So the foam compresses when a player is hit, which increases the time over which the force is applied. So this reduces the rate of change of momentum, which is very, very vital. Okay. So, and therefore the force experienced by the body as per Newton's second law, that force is equal to change in momentum divided by time, right? Then the second point will be spreading the force. So the pads distribute the impact force over a larger area, which reduces the pressure on any one part of the body. So this also helps prevents bruises, fractures, or internal injuries. And the third point is absorbing energy. So foam is a good material for absorbing kinetic energy. It will deform. It deforms to absorb some of the energy from the collision. So less energy is transferred to the player's body. And then you can conclude that together these effects help protect muscles, bones, and organs from the forces involved in high-speed impact. Now, the purpose of elaborating it in this way is that it's not necessarily required that you are going to get the same question, but you will definitely get something similar to this, and your answer structure should be in this form. So always try to remember that first point will be increasing the time of impact. The second point is spreading the force, and how you can explain that it will be the material which you are using will be a good absorber of energy. Okay, so I hope you find it effective. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for the next video.